Welcome to the official Trader TV Discord server. This tool is for us to grow with each other and talk during the offline hours. I'm going to show you guys how to quickly run through Discord for those of you who haven't used it yet, how to join the server, how to approve yourself as a verified user, and navigate the server overall. So to start the server with, you'll need an invite link. Those invite link will be provided in the description below, or you can use !Discord on our chat starting Tuesday, and you'll be able to get that link right away. Once you have that link, you click on this little button over here that says add server, and then you go to join server. You paste the link provided to you and hit join server. This setup has been now completed. You are now fully into the official TraderTV.Live Discord server. Then there's two additional steps that you need to do after this to prove to us that you are human. This is to stop people from spamming our users with offers that are unsolicited. So to do that, you would first need to hit this complete button over here at the bottom, read through our rules, hit agree, submit. And then, last but not least, this is the final step. You have to go to the verification channel over here where it says Trader TV Live and click on this little green check mark. This gives you access to our whole server. Welcome to the official server once again. We have multiple features over here where you can talk about stocks with your lovely friends that you're used to on YouTube. You can also pick and choose if you want to talk about futures. You can do so in the futures section and options and so on. We also have other sections to talk about outside of stock market or outside of trading. For example, if you want to talk about something else, you feel free to use the off-topic area. Pet pictures is for people who want to post their pet pictures and so on. Respective channels for respective pages. In Discord, we also have alert systems set up, so when we have YouTube videos being sent out on the weekends or even at the end of the day for our trade of the day, or when we go live, we have links being automatically notifying people about when those YouTube videos are going up or when the live videos are coming online. So you can feel free to use this function to get notified. You can also disable the notifications by going to server settings, turn off by going nothing for no messages, only mentions to only be mentioned when the @everyone tag is being used or when your name is being used, or all messages if you want to have notifications for all the messages that are happening in that channel, or you can use server default. Server default is the most recommended one. This is the one where you won't be notified about all the stuff on the Discord server, which will stop you from getting spammed most of the time, and will only notify you when admins or moderators need to send out an announcement or when YouTube videos get posted. The same process can be used to activate alerts for each separate Twitter feed that we have over here for you guys to use. So we have my Twitter feed, Neil's Twitter feed, Sean's Twitter feed, Brandon's Twitter feed, and the official Trader TV Live Twitter feed, where we post all of our Twitter posts are automatically grabbed and put over here for your display. We also have extra alerts for your use. Unusual whales for those of you who trade options and like your options alerts. We have unusual whales partnerships. We have directly from the NASDAQ where halts are showing up automatically. And we post earnings calendar over here also. So feel free to check out the channel, discover it, go through it, talk with your friends, and grow those precious relationships that we enjoyed being a part of over these past few years. And see you on live.